the rise of what some are calling Generation Side Hustle is more than just a catchy phrase. It's a sign of a profound shift in how younger generations view work, purpose, and financial independence. Nearly 2/3 of young people have either started a side hustle or are planning to. This isn't just about making extra cash, though that's certainly part of it. It's about creating multiple streams of income, building skills, and having a safety net in a world where job security isn't what it used to be. Now, you might be wondering, is this sustainable? Can you really build wealth this way? Well, experts are saying yes. The long-term viability of these non-traditional careers like freelancing and entrepreneurship is supported by a growing demand for flexible work arrangements. Plus, technology is making it easier than ever to generate income in new and creative ways. Let's break it down a bit. Gen Z is taking a pragmatic approach to work. They're not just looking for a paycheck. They want jobs that align with their personal values and goals. This mindset is completely reshaping what traditional career paths look like. It's not about climbing the corporate ladder anymore. It's about building a career that fits into the life you want to live. Here's where things get really interesting. The shift towards these non-traditional career paths isn't just about following your passion. It's also a response to some harsh realities. Rising costs of living and job instability are pushing young people to look for alternative ways to achieve financial security. They're not putting all their eggs in one basket. They're creating multiple baskets. Think about the tech-savvy nature of Gen Z. They're using this to their advantage, exploring all sorts of online platforms for freelancing and side hustles. This isn't just about making money. It's about creating a flexible, adaptable career that can weather economic ups and downs. They're building skills, networks, and income streams that can adapt as the job market changes. Now, let's talk about a trend that's really catching fire: digital nomadism. More and more young people are embracing a lifestyle that combines work and travel. It's not just about seeing the world, though that's a big perk. It's about creating a lifestyle that offers both flexibility and the potential for personal growth. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's becoming a viable career path for many. But let's be real. These new paths to wealth aren't all sunshine and rainbows. They come with their own set of challenges. There's no guaranteed paycheck, no company pension waiting at the end of the road. The stability that traditional career paths offered, that's not part of the deal here. So why are so many young people choosing this route? It's about more than just money. It's about freedom, flexibility, and the ability to shape your life on your own terms. It's about building wealth in a way that aligns with your values and goals. For many young people, the trade-off of stability for flexibility and potential growth is worth it. These new paths are allowing young people to build wealth while living life on their own terms. They're not waiting for retirement to enjoy life. They're building careers that let them enjoy life now while also preparing for the future. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about the relationship between work, wealth, and life satisfaction.